Loveland Resort reported 7 inches of fresh snow. We're gonna go see if that's true. Putting her in the cabbage. Today is historic because you could say it's sweet and sour Cabbage Patch Kids Day. What do I mean by that? Well, as you can see, they are still putting her deep in the cabbage. And that is part of what happens when it is a powder day. So the sweet part is, it is a powder day. It is May 12, 2024, Mother's Day. Heading to Loveland Resort for an epic closing day. Now, other resorts are closing today. Breckenridge closed today and Copper closed today. So that is the sour part. But you cannot have a opening day without a closing day.
Woo! Yeah. Closing day!